I can't keep up with your style. I can't keep up with your style. Hey YouTube, I hope you're having a great day. If not, it's about to get great because I'm gonna show you how to tune into drop A sharp tuning. I saw a bunch of requests for this, so now I'm finally doing it. Before we start, I wanna say like this video or subscribe, whatever you think is right. But what I would massively appreciate is if you share the video with anyone who might need it. All I really want to do is reach more people with my tutorials. This is going to be a very quick tutorial. I'm not going to have a camera to show my guitar because I assume most of you already understand the fundamental principle of this technique. If you're new and have trouble understanding it, I highly recommend going back to any of my other tuning videos, and I'm sure it'll take you pretty much no time to get up to speed. Moving forward, open up Guitar Tuna on your device. Just look at the following screens. Tap on the string name to get out of automatic mode and copy the number in red to the corresponding string. Fair warning, we are only tuning downwards from standard tuning for this tuning. I don't want anyone breaking their strings. And since there's a pretty low tuning, if you do not see the number on your phone, or if it is stuck at some constant like -51, try repeatedly picking your string, and that might cause the number to appear momentarily every time you pick the string. If not, try a different device. Maybe the microphone of your device is not suitable for the lower frequencies. Now let's get to it. Good job, we're done with the tuning. Now if you put a capo on the 4th fret, you're gonna get drop D tuning. And with the capo on, if you put your finger on the 2nd fret of the lowest string, you're gonna get standard tuning. Let me know what song you're trying to play, I'm curious. You can check out my other videos as well. I have a bunch of other tunings on my channel. And now that we're done, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Me, myself, and I, at least give it